Once you are on the website, click on Create at the top of the screen, then select your device. From there, you'll want to make the appropriate selections in the drop-down menus shown. Each device will have different drop-down menus. Once you have made all of the selections, click on Personalize, and the CYOS tool will open. To upload your own image, click on the Add button in the top left corner, then select Add New Picture, and then choose Select a Picture. From there, a file box will open on your screen, allowing you to locate and upload the image of your choice. Once the image is in the CYOS tool, you can resize it and move it where you would like. You can also change the background color by clicking on the Background button in the top left corner. Click on the buttons below the mockup to add artwork to all of the surfaces. To add existing DecalGirl artwork, click the Add button, then Add New Artwork. From there, you will see a library of elements that you can add to your design. You can resize, move, and rotate images and elements as needed until you create your perfect design. When you're ready to finalize and submit your design, click on Add to Cart in the bottom right corner. And voila! You have created your very own custom skin.